Welcome to Board of Friends Get Together. I am Anusha Christopher. My program theory contains friendship, care, help, unity, solutions, and peace. You're watching November sessions. Today's session topic is environment awareness. What are the main concepts in environment? A peaceful environment. Live in a silent society. That means always check whether your society is noisy or not. If it is noisy, please ask your society crowd people to keep silent in the society. Go to your area meetings. That means these days, corona days, obviously you cannot go to area meetings, but when corona situation is silently down, then you can go to area meetings. Have a peaceful mind. You must maintain your mindset to prepare future adventures. Always be positive and make your mind to follow peace. If your mind is down, talk to your friends or family members. Be a good human being. That means you must see how much percentage that you have covered in humanity. Be a great human being in the environment. Welcome your friends and family members to social media applications. If you have understanding friends and family members, ask them to join your social media applications. Always have trusted friends in your friends list. That means when your school time itself, you have to grow with good trusted friends. Start making great friends in your school time onwards. Okay friends, these are the main concepts in environment awareness. Wherever you go, you have to follow these all concepts. Wherever you stay, you have to follow these concepts. The first topic is that living in a silent society. That means always check whether your society noisy or not. Okay, if your society is very noisy, you have to inform to that particular house people that it is noisy, please be quiet, so they can make arrangements for you. The second topic is that go to your area meetings. Okay, so usually in my society they conduct meetings, but in corona situation, so now they don't conduct meetings. But yearly wise and monthly wise, I know that they used to arrange meetings. So once my parents also visited to that meetings, and they gave cake and coffee and everything. So that is very good. If you go to meetings and you can sit for meeting, and also you can have a friendship in your area side also. So that is called you have to create friendship among your neighbors. That's why I am taking a special session for environmental awareness, talking about friendship. Alright, so this is my own story, my family story. So they went and they attended for the meetings, and they ate cake, coffee and biryani and all, and they came to home and they were telling like these are the things happened and all. So when I am hearing so I also felt very good. So this is called a friendship in your area. Alright. So wherever you go for meetings, area meetings, even if you have seen any conflicts or fights, you should stop that fight and conflicts. And alright, so at the same time you have to create a peaceful environment over there. So if you see, but if you don't see, it's fine. So that's the thing. So even if you conduct an area meeting, you have to give some foods for visitors. Alright. So members, that means. So like you can provide biryani or tea or coffee or anything you can give for members. So same side, like they also feel good, and your side also, you all will also feel good. Alright. So sometimes it's like this, like I heard lots of stories, like one of my friend went for the area meetings and they had a fight in that area meeting. So these are the things will happen, unfortunately. So in this scenario you cannot do anything, just you have to stop the fights or conflicts, alright. If you couldn't stop the fight, what you can do is you have to leave that place, alright. It's like if people are fighting and you also should not fight with them, you just should have a patient and you have to advise them that to stop the fight in a peaceful way, alright. So go to your area meetings. Even if you conduct a meeting with friends also, you have to have a peaceful meetings, alright. If you don't have a peaceful meetings, please don't conduct any kind of meetings. Just stop everything and you can stay at home or office, you can do usual work, alright. If you cannot stop your friends meetings, quarrels, conflicts, alright. Sometimes it will like this. They will conduct a meeting in friends, among friends, and everybody will start fighting with each other. So like this scenario will happen. Maybe it happened to me, but the thing is maybe it will happen to you also in future. So in this scenario what you can do is like if you get to know any friends, school friends or university friends, like that if you don't like a person in your friend circle, if he or she is coming to that meeting, what you can do is you can inform that friend that you are not attending that meeting, and then you shouldn't visit to that meeting. So you can stop that conflict and you are avoiding that meeting. Same time you are giving a peaceful environment among your friends, alright. If a friend is asking you like what's the reason that you not attending the meeting or friends meeting, you can tell directly that this is the scenario happened in my past, so I don't want to attend this meeting. You can tell directly to them, alright. So that is for go to your area meetings. I have described about area meeting as well as my personal friends meetings also, alright. So third topic is have a peaceful mind. Okay, always in environment you have to have a peaceful mind. You have to for that you can do exercises, fitness courses, anything, but that is very important for your mental health. Even if your environment is very noisy and house is noisy, office is noisy, you can make them in a peaceful way. You can inform house people or office people or church people also that it is very noisy, and they can make arrangement, and they obviously will make arrangements for you, alright. And fourth topic is be a good human being. You must see how much percentage that you have to cover in humanity. Okay friends, like it means that you have to be like, act like or be like a human being. Wherever you go or wherever you stay, you have to follow that humanity concepts, the caring, kindness, and these are things, alright. Always you have to follow these concepts wherever you go. If you go to abroad also, if you stay in your hometown also, you have to follow your humanity concepts, okay. If a person is crying, or if a person is really crying, then if you see that, you should not just walk away. You have to go and speak to them, and you have to ask them that what is the scenario and what's going on, like why you are crying, this and this. Like sometimes it's like this, and like even in my past story I'm sharing with you all that in my past office, like I saw many people, like we all are working and one girl is crying, and all people are working just like that, and she's crying and crying and crying, and nobody's just not worrying also. Okay, this is very bad behavior. So what I did was, like I just went to her and I speak to her what is the issue, and she told the issue, and then she stopped crying. Okay, so I asked her to go to lunchroom and to take a coffee or something, So this is the thing that I have noticed. So this is so bad, friends. Like if you see a friend who is crying in front of you and you are just working and working and working, no, that is not good. And if you see a person is crying, you have to go and speak to them. Even in road also, even in church also, if anybody is crying in front of you, like you have to speak to them in a good way and you have to give some advices for them. Alright, so that is called be a good human being. Welcome your friends and family members to social media applications. Okay, so like if you come to know that your friends are not in social media applications, you have to welcome them. One of my friends, actually not one friend, I had 2 to 3 friends. When I was in India also, like lots of people have encouraged me and asked me to join Facebook, and these are the scenarios. So they have continuously used to ask me like why you are not in Facebook, Twitter, and all. So but at that time I was studying student, so that's why I couldn't join Facebook. But recently, 1 year, 2 years ago, 2019, I had joined July. So because of my friends only. So and here also I came here. They used to ask like why you are not in social media applications. Every time they used to ask, you can join Instagram or Twitter or anything like that, just like that, YouTube. So but the thing is like because of my work life I couldn't join, but recent years, from 2019 July I have joined. So I just faced lots of good things in social media applications. So what you have to do is welcome your friends and family members to social media applications. So if you have good friends, you have to welcome them to social media applications. Alright, some friends are like this. This is my personal stories. Like they don't they used to use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everything, but they don't welcome friends. They just only use. That is so selfish. So these type of friends also I have seen. So even if they use also, they used to disturb others also, other friends. Even I having a quite good friends, class friends and university friends. I know one group was what they are doing is disturbing my class friends and university friends. Okay, so that is very bad behavior, friends. Don't do like this. And continuously also from 2019 I am noticing all these bad scenarios in social media applications. So you all have to stop this nonsense and stop this crap, everything, whatever. So don't disturb others when you are using social media application. Just use like that, okay? Because these applications are only for build friendship, not to make conflicts or any other teasing or anything. Alright, so these are the scenarios I am seeing in social media applications continuously from 2019. I am seeing this. So what they do is like they can tag. Alright, they can tag. That is not a problem. They can tag friendship quotes and everything in friendship, about good things. But the thing is, they are making conflicts. They are trying to make conflicts and fights among the society. Okay. So I have seen my close friends, friends list also, and university friends also. So one group is there. I know that very well. So please, I am telling you all that friends, if you see that group, please inform them to stop all this shit things and nonsense everything in social media applications. Alright, so otherwise we will take necessary actions. So these are the things. So you have to welcome your friends and family members to social media applications. So even if you use social media applications, you have to invite your friends and family members. And also you have to make a peaceful environment. You should not make fights or conflicts among friends. Okay, so that is the thing I just want to tell in this scenario. If you know that your friend is not in social media application, you have to speak to her and then you have to inform her to come to social media application to make friendship. Okay, that's why these applications are there. So these are the scenario. Like some people are like that. They are so selfish. Only they will be using that applications. They used to try to chase other people. Like, so I know that group. So that is the thing. So scenario is happening now. So I need to tell all these things in friendship sessions. So this is my job. So that's why. So if you get to know if anybody is trying to pull you out, or if they are trying to make conflicts or fights inside your friend's account or anything, you have to take necessary actions. Okay. Otherwise, you will try to lose your personal account. So you have to be very careful in this scenario. What you have to do is, you have to be alert in this scenario. And if your friend is not in social media application, please inform them to come to use that applications and to make friendship. Alright. If you're calling to a friend, if she is not in social media application, you have to invite them. Okay. Invite her or him. You should not tell like, oh, it's not safe, or it's very risky, or so scary and all. You should not tell all these things to make them scared. Okay, you have to tell that please come, because we all friends are there and we are enjoying it. Alright. So this is very important in environment awareness. And last topic, that is, always have trusted friend in your friends list. Okay. If you don't trust a person, please don't have friendship with them. If you really trust a person, you can have friends and you can connect with them. Alright. If you really don't trust or believe you're a friend, then you should not have contact with them. Even if they are coming to your friends, if they are sending you a friend request or adding or following anything, you have to block him or her immediately. Alright, because it's not good for you. If you don't like a person, just show him or her immediately, face to face. Alright, so it's like this. Some friends are like this. This is my personal stories. If they don't like a person, they just act like they are liking somebody, some friends. So it's not good. So in this scenario, what you have to do is, if you have any conflicts or fights in your past with them, particular person, particular friend, you should not have contact with them again and again. Alright, you have to block him or her immediately without asking it, because it's very risky to your friendship. Alright, so that's why always have trusted friend in your friends list. So always you should believe your friends. You have to have friendship and great friendship among friends. If you don't trust a person, please don't talk with him or her, or don't have friendship, and don't add or send friend request. Okay, so you have to stop all these things. Even if he or she is coming to your account also, you should not have connected with them. Alright, so these are means concept in environment awareness. Thanks a lot for watching my program. I will see you next episode of Board of Friends Get Together. I'm logging off for now. Stay genius, stay smart, be in touch with good friends, stay away from bad friends, meet your friends in occasional times, be kind with everyone. God bless you. I'm Nusha Christopher.